We would like to invite Dr. Syahril to come on stage to give his opening speech. Dr. Syahril, the time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. The Honorable Minister of Health of the Republic of Indonesia, Bapak Budi Gunadi Sadikin, Chairman of the Health Working Group APEC, Bangsadon Pokpemdi, invited guests, distinguished speakers, moderators, panelists, and all participants. It is an honor to welcome you all to the opening ceremony of the International Workshop on Managing Emerging Infectious Diseases among Frontline Health Workers on 12 until 16 September 2022 in Indonesia. We are delighted to host this workshop. Sulianti Saroso Hospital, as a center of excellence for infectious diseases, has played a major role in handling and preventing the number of outbreaks in Indonesia. Since 2003 until now, we have handled SARS, avian influenza, MERS-CoV, and also COVID-19. This hospital is equipped with an infrastructure with the principle of international biosafety and biosecurity. Minister of Health, distinguished guests and participants, this workshop is held under the Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation APEC Health Working Group. The participants of this workshop have various backgrounds, namely doctors, nurse, laboratory technician, pharmacists, and other health workers who focus on handling EID in the hospital setting, and they come from 11 member countries of APEC, including Hong Kong, China, Vietnam, Malaysia, Canada, Indonesia, and others. Indonesian participants come from 24 health facility networks. I believe this workshop will provide an immersive experience for participants, reflecting on critical and updated issues that are important for emerging infectious diseases. The emergence of infectious diseases remains an important public health problem in the APEC region. The region faces major health challenges due to change in lifestyle, globalization, economic transition, urbanization, agriculture, and food systems. All of these are risk factors for non-communicable diseases and EID. In fact, emerging and re-emerging infectious diseases remain an important part of the burden of health problems. It also costs APEC's economic health financing, especially for developing countries which still face inadequate funds, human resources, or other resources to manage EID that have the potential to cause outbreaks. Particular concern should also be given to the healthcare workers who play an important role in treating patients and managing EID. Their direct and daily contact with patients place them in a vulnerable situation and they are at high risk of spreading EID. In this 5 days workshop, we will focus on EID management issues. The aim is for frontline healthcare workers to improve their skills and knowledge, particularly in the area of managing EID in a hospital setting, learn to manage and prevent future outbreaks of ID, lessen the impact and strengthen public health system, and develop a better understanding of cost-effective therapeutic therapies that can be applied to mitigate and respond to EID outbreaks. I believe that by overcome this issue, we will support economic growth in all affected regions, both in developing and developing countries. This workshop provides us with the proper opportunity to reflect on what we have done and what we can do further to support our professional as doctor, nurse, health practitioner, while continuing to prioritize stakeholder. It is certainly very challenging. Honorable Minister of Health and all participants, in this opening session, I am grateful that all of you can join this virtual workshop. We also thank you, the Minister of Health and all staff of the Ministry of Health, all speakers, panelists, moderators, and invited guests who have provided support, assistance, and cooperation. Furthermore, we would also like to thank esteemed doctors and professors who serve on the scientific committee and those who will provide their insight and guidance in case development and the international workshop on managing EID. Thank a lot to Dr. P.P. Setiawati as a project officer of this EPIC workshop and all the organizing committee who made this workshop happen and success. Once again, we thank all partners, APEX, CDC, WHO, MOH, all speakers, moderators, participants for their support in organizing this workshop. Hereinafter, Chairman of the Health Working Group APEC, Mr. Pongsadon Pok Pamdi, would like to give an opening remark, and Minister of Health, Bapak Budi Gunadi Sadikin, would like to give the keynote speech in this workshop. Thank you, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.